morning from Pulau Pinang, Malaysia. Today, we're diving into part 2 of our self-guided walking tour of Georgetown's amazing street art. This tour is designed to keep things easy and enjoyable, covering some of the most iconic pieces in a cool morning walk. Our first stop is at Le Bu Clang, where Russian artist Julia Volchkova created this masterpiece in 2014. The mural shows an Indian boatman, a nod to Penang's rich maritime and multicultural heritage. Look closely. The oar changes from wood to metal as it nears the top. Though time and weather have worn the lower part, the top section still impresses visitors with its detail and emotion. Next stop, head west on Stewart Lane, then continue onto Le Bu Muntry for about 120 metres. This 6-metre-high mural by Ernest Zacharevic is rather interesting. This was modelled after a real girl dressed in a blue silk samfu, a two-piece casual dress that was popular in South China, Hong Kong, and Malaya until the mid-20th century. She is leaning against window shutters painted with shadows to create a cool 3D effect. Over time, the fading paint and messy hair have given her an eerie vibe. What do you think? Beautiful or spooky? Next stop, walk east on Le Bu Muntry, then turn right onto Le Bu Chulia. This striking mural by Australian artist Vexta celebrates the connection between humans and nature. The woman's hair transforms into tree branches, symbolising growth and evolution. Vexta's focus on ecology make her one of the few standout female muralists. The next stop is just a few steps ahead on Le Bu Chulia, near the mosque. This playful mural, a collaboration between Ernest Zacharevic and Argentinian artist Martin Ron, shows a girl riding a sea turtle. The combination of Ron's whimsical fantasy style and Zacharevic's realistic details makes this piece unforgettable. We continue west along Le Bu Chulia for about 60 metres to find the next mural tucked in an alley. This eye-catching mural of a Malayan tiger shows the animal tugging at a string. Created by Colour Fighter, it's a reminder of Malaysia's dwindling tiger population, now critically endangered. Pause to appreciate the details and the important conservation message behind this piece. We continue west on Le Bu Chulia, then turn right onto Jalan Penang. This giant mural by Ernest Zacharevic captures a trishaw driver waiting for passengers, perfectly blending with the area's vibe. Once a common transportation method in Penang, trishaws are now mostly for tourists. The mural's faded colours reflect the decline of this iconic mode of transport. Next stop, walk southwest on Jalan Penang towards Le Bu Keng Kui. We turn left into Le Bu Keng Kui near the famous Dec'24 Cendol stall. This mural by Canadian artist Emmanuel Jarros shows a boy enjoying Penang's favourite dessert, Cendol. The vibrant painting sits right above the famous Dec'24 Cendol stall, making it the perfect spot to grab a refreshing treat. We continue southeast on Le Bu Keng Kui. Our final stop is this sweet mural of a couple riding a bicycle, painted by local artist Karin Ko. Simple yet nostalgic, it captures a carefree time that many Malaysians remember fondly. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this journey through Georgetown's vibrant street art. Every mural has a story, and I'm glad we got to explore them together. Until next time, selamat tinggal and happy exploring.